Okay, gamers, gather round and feast your eyes on this. We're talking peak efficiency, peak satisfaction, it's iron ore time, baby. See our girl the drill over here? She's working harder than a diamond pickaxe in a dirt block, churning out those ore nuggets like a boss. It's like a metal waterfall, and I am living for it. And speaking of flow, peep the conveyor belt game, though. This isn't your grandma's factory line, this is high-tech hauling. Watch those ore nuggets take a magic carpet ride straight to their new crib, the iron ore chest. It's giving me Asmr vibes, all that smooth movement and clinking. So freaking satisfying. Now for my pixel-perfect peeps playing at home, wanna know how to duplicate this masterpiece in game? Hold on to your headsets cause it's about to get lit. Open up your UI and let's get those digital digits working. Spawn those ore babies like it's a digital mining frenzy. Click, click, boom. Iron ore galore. And the best part? Those little digital nuggets? They know the drill literally. Watch M scoot down the edge, following that pixelated path straight to the item chest. It's like a tiny, perfectly organized world and you are the master conductor. So go forth, my mining navins, and automate your way to victory. Now let's give those fresh mine goodies somewhere to go, shall we? Find your item chest, that's our digital treasure vault. Give it a click to select it, gotta let the game know where the loot's going. Ready for the fun part? It's connection time. Click and hold your mouse button on the chest, and drag it over to the entry node. See that line appear? You're drawing the conveyor belt, a digital highway for your digital riches. Release the mouse button, and there you have it, a perfectly connected pathway to prosperity. But hold your horses, miners. We're not quite there yet. See that semaphore over there? That's our on-off switch. Give it a click to turn that light green, and boom, let the ore flow. Watch as those little entry items start cruising down the belt, heading straight for the glorious chest. And just like in our real-life mining extravaganza, once those digital goodies hit the end of the belt, they get deposited straight into the chest, safe and sound. Automated efficiency at its finest, my friends. Now go forth and create the most satisfyingly organized inventory this side of the digital divide.